wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fadilan Hazim bin Tayyib Fazilah. My ticket number is AA200200. I am from group 16. Okay, I will present the electronic project has been assigned to us. Okay, I will present about the data taken on the data sheet. This is our data sheet. Data sheet we have obtained from Google. Firstly, from the data sheet we get the value of VCE max, which is 0.5 max. The value for IC max is 10 milliampere. Lastly, for the IC set, the value of IC set can be taken to be equal or to or less than the value of IC max. So the IC set value we take is 9 milliampere. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Qayyum bin Zulkifli, and now I will present how to calculate all the value of our project. So we start from our VCC and beta, which is 24 and 300. Our IC set that we determine is 9 milliamp and our ICQ is 4.5. So for our VC we got 12 volts and our VE we got 3.6 volt. For our RE we got 797.34 ohm, and RC we got 2666.67 ohm. So for our R2 we got 23920.2 ohm. Our VB we get 4.3 volt. For R1 we got 109,587.893 ohm, and for our IB we got 0.015 milliamp. IE we got 4.515 milliamp. Our IR1 is 0.195 milliamp, and our IR2 is 0.18 milliamp. So that's all for our calculation. I'll hand it over to Faiz Farhan for the simulation. Thank you.
Okay, next, my name is Muhammad Faiz Farhan bin Rahizam. So here you will find the calculate value. Okay, now I will show you simulate circuit. Okay, R1 is 109,587.893 and R2 is 23920.2 and RC is 2666.67 and RE is 797.34. Okay, so now I want to run the circuit. Okay, this is the result. You will get this. The IR1 is 0.18 milliampere and IR2 is 0.17 milliampere and IRC is 4.34 milliampere, and lastly is IRE is 4.35 milliampere. Okay, thank you. That's all for me.